Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over uStructs. Should be pretty quickly because there is not much to it. So I already created a file here, uStructs samples that I'm importing from here. So if I go into it, there is nothing here yet. So we are going to create one struct. I will show you how it goes. Here I also have the source of the plugin. This is handy because you have access here to the new tool, which has all of these tasks that, for example, starting the editor or generating the findings or doing a build. At some point I'm going to create an extension and hook it into the extension, but it is handy to work with it. Okay, so let's go with the struct. So nothing fancy, just example struct, for example, and then remember that all uStruct has to start with F. That's a real requirement. And then if you want it to be accessible from Blueprint, you need to put the Blueprint type metadata, and then you just can't write your regular uprop here, similar of what you can do in in uClasses, right? Like for example, test field f-string, right? And now if I compile here, I can go to my I can search for it here on the Blueprint graph, like make sample struct. It's here. Let's add like another field so we can see how it loads. And here the field. You can also have like arrays, whatever you need. Let's actually use this one. Maybe int32. Yeah, you can split it down and use it from here as well. You could of course add categories and add other uProp logs if you want to, and also they are available from here. You can find it on example uStruct, right? But it will be just better to add it from here as another uprop. So let's do that. Uprop, okay. I will put here like this is not a component, and I don't need any category for this one. My struct, right? And then this, and then I can do compile it. And if I search for it on here, like my struct, it is here. It has the three fields that we introduced it. We can also do like, for example, instantiate it. We do example struct, right? And add the default value for test field, like hello world. And when this compiles, we should have like a CDO, but since it was already instantiated with an empty value, we will see the hello world here. If we change it to something else, we can get back to the previous. So this is handy. Well, the thing about them, the functionality for inheriting is not like 100% done yet. Most of it is there. It should work for the most part. If you find any issue, just let me know through Discord or create an issue on the repo. But you can also do stuff like, and I think this is the first plugin that can do something like this. You can inherit from other structs, like for example, TableRow. And then once it compiles, we can go to miscellaneous data table. We should be able to see here the example struct. Yeah, you can create a data table from it and use it as you will use a regular data table. Okay, so this is it for this video. On the next one, I will be going over uEnums. Since enums doesn't have really much into it, I will also include uDelegate with them, and maybe doing a short sample of those. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.